In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key in Odoo. If you need to connect Odoo with another tool, service, or custom integration, creating an API key is often the safest and most convenient way to authenticate that connection. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting, how to create the key, and what to pay attention to before you finish. To get started, log into Odoo and look to the upper right corner of the screen. Click your profile icon, then open My Preferences. This area contains your personal account settings, including security options related to access and authentication. Once the Change My Preferences window opens, click the Security tab. This is where Odoo keeps settings that are related to protecting your account. And it's also where you'll find the section for managing API keys. Under API keys, click Add API Key. This opens the creation window where you'll define the new key. In the new API key window, begin by entering a name or description for the key. It's a good idea to choose something clear and recognizable so you can remember what the key is used for later, especially if you create more than one. Next, under Select the Scope, choose the scope you need, such as RPC. The scope determines how the key will be used, so make sure you select the option that matches your integration or application requirements. After that, go to the section labeled Give a duration for the key's validity. Here, choose how long you want the API key to remain active. This setting is important because it helps you balance convenience and security. A shorter duration can be more secure, while a longer duration may be useful for ongoing integrations. When everything looks correct, click Generate Key. Odoo will then create the API key and display it on screen. At this point, make sure to copy and save the key immediately in a secure place. This is very important because Odoo indicates that the key cannot be retrieved later. If you lose it, you'll typically need to generate a new one instead of viewing the old one again. Once you've securely saved the key, click Done to finish the process. That's all it takes to generate an API key in Odoo. As a final tip, treat your API key like a password. Store it securely and only share it with systems or services that truly need access. Thanks for watching.